I'm in love with the stars. When I look up at the night sky, I see a million pinpricks of light, each one a doorway to a new world. I would spend hours poring over maps of the cosmos, dreaming of the day when I could explore it myself. We've discovered that we are made of stardust, that the universe began with a single cell, and that there are more galaxies out there than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Now, as an adult, my love of space has only grown. I'm inspired by the courage and curiosity of those who've come before me, the pioneers of space exploration. When we do that, we're reminded of our place in the universe, but we're also reminded of our potential. We're capable of some truly special things. We've sent spacecraft to every planet in the solar system. We've landed rovers on Mars. We've explored more of the moon than our own Earth, but as a source of inspiration, as a reminder of our potential, as a guide to help us reach our destination, which is really our destiny. Thank you. And now we're getting ready to go back to the moon and this time stay there. We are sending people to the moon to live there for long periods of time and to explore the surface of the moon in a way that we never have before. And I wonder, are we really alone in this vast universe? But when we do that, we miss the point. Space is vast not just in size, but in possibility. It challenges us to be better, to push ourselves further than we ever thought possible. And when we do that, when we push ourselves to our limits, we discover new things about ourselves, about our potential, about what we're capable of achieving. We discover that we're not as small as we thought we were. We're part of something much bigger than ourselves. As a kid, I was fascinated by space. It's about changing ourselves, changing the way we see the world. And that's why it's so important that we continue to explore, that we don't stop pushing ourselves to understand more, to achieve more. Because the more we explore, the more we change, the more we grow as individuals, as a species, as a civilization. We've learned so much about the universe and our place in it thanks to their bravery. I feel a sense of awe and humility when I think about the mysteries of space. It's a reminder that there is so much more to life than our little blue dot. There is so much more to explore, to discover, to learn. And I can't help but feel like we are just getting started. The stars, they're just so incredibly far away. It's hard for us to comprehend the distances involved. Even when we hear the mind-boggling statistics, the years and years that light takes to travel between star systems, light takes hundreds and thousands of years to reach us from the stars. So when we see a star, we're seeing it as it was hundreds and thousands of years ago. In a very real sense, the universe is constantly reaching out to touch us, to connect with us across the vast distances. We are part of something much bigger than ourselves. The number of stars in the observable universe, we still have this innate feeling that the stars are just so incredibly far away. And yet at the same time, the stars are also incredibly close. They're close in the sense that all of the atoms in our bodies came from the stars. The carbon in our bodies, the oxygen, nitrogen, iron, all forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. We are literally made of star stuff. When we look up at the night sky, we see the past. We're looking back through time. I think one of the most important things that we can do is to take the time to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us, to marvel at the mystery and the awe-inspiring nature of the cosmos. It's easy to get lost in the vastness of space and feel like we're insignificant, that our problems are small and our achievements are even smaller. Space exploration is about discovery, yes, but it's also about transformation. So the next time you look up at the night sky, I want you to think about the stars, not just as distant points of light,